Homework. Homework is a common part of school life. It is assigned by teachers to help students learn. Some students enjoy homework, while others dislike it. This essay will explore the purpose of homework, its benefits and challenges, and tips for managing it effectively. Homework has been a part of education for many years. Teachers assign it to reinforce what students learn in class. The main purpose of homework is to help students practice skills and understand concepts better. It allows students to work independently and think critically. Homework can take many forms, including reading assignments, math problems, essays, and projects. One of the main benefits of homework is that it promotes learning. When students complete assignments, they reinforce what they learned in class. This practice helps to improve their understanding. For example, math homework helps students practice solving problems. The more they practice, the better they become. Similarly, reading assignments can help improve comprehension skills. Homework also helps students develop good study habits. When students complete their homework regularly, they learn to manage their time effectively. They learn to prioritize tasks and meet deadlines. These skills are valuable not only in school, but also in life. Being organized and responsible is important for success in any area. Another benefit of homework is that it encourages parental involvement. When parents see what their children are learning, they can offer support. They can help with difficult subjects or discuss assignments. This involvement can strengthen the bond between parents and children. It also shows students that education is important. Homework can also promote self-discipline. Completing assignments requires focus and commitment. Students must learn to avoid distractions and stay on task. This self-discipline is crucial for success in school and beyond. It helps students become more independent learners. They learn to take responsibility for their education. Despite its benefits, homework can also present challenges. Many students feel overwhelmed by the amount of homework they receive. They may struggle to balance schoolwork with extracurricular activities or family responsibilities. This can lead to stress and anxiety. It is important for teachers to assign a reasonable amount of homework. Too much homework can have a negative impact on students' well-being. Another challenge is that not all students have the same resources at home. Some students may not have a quiet place to study or access to the internet. This can make completing assignments difficult. Teachers should be aware of these differences. They can offer support and resources to help all students succeed. Sometimes, students may feel unmotivated to do their homework. They may find the assignments boring or difficult. This lack of motivation can lead to procrastination. Students may put off their homework until the last minute. This can create stress and affect their grades. It is essential for students to find ways to stay motivated. To manage homework effectively, students can use several strategies. First, creating a schedule can help. Setting aside specific times for homework can make it easier to stay on track. A consistent routine can also help students develop good study habits. It is important to find a quiet place to work without distractions. Another helpful strategy is to break assignments into smaller tasks. Large projects can feel overwhelming. By breaking them down into smaller steps, students can make progress without feeling stressed. Completing small tasks can give a sense of accomplishment and motivate students to continue. Students should also communicate with their teachers. If they have questions or concerns about homework, they should ask for help. Teachers are there to support students and want them to succeed. Open communication can lead to better understanding and less frustration. In addition, forming study groups can be beneficial. Working with classmates can make homework more enjoyable. Students can help each other understand difficult concepts. They can share ideas and resources. This collaboration can lead to deeper learning and stronger friendships. Lastly, students should practice self-care. Taking breaks is important when doing homework. Short breaks can help recharge the mind and improve focus. Engaging in activities like exercise, hobbies, or spending time with family can provide balance. When students take care of their physical and mental health, they are more likely to succeed in their studies. In conclusion, homework plays an important role in education. It reinforces learning, develops study habits, encourages parental involvement, and promotes self-discipline. However, it can also present challenges such as stress and lack of motivation. To manage homework effectively, students can create a schedule, break tasks into smaller steps, communicate with teachers, form study groups, and practice self-care. Ultimately, homework is a valuable tool for learning. It helps students develop important skills that will serve them well in the future. By understanding its purpose and finding ways to manage it, students can make homework a positive part of their education. Education is a journey, and homework is a step along the way. It may not always be enjoyable, but it is a necessary part of learning and growth. By embracing homework, students can build a strong foundation for their future success.